Hi, welcome back to Canada Tried and Tested. You all must be remembering the time when people in US and Canada were running for this. Well, this was not a problem for us Indians or anyone who was coming from South Asia, because we had a age-old solution which is not just hygienic but is also a sustainable one, which is required in today's world. In fact, when we moved from India to Canada, we carried this bidet with us. But this did not work here. In today's video, I will be sharing the mistake what we made and the corrections what we did, so that you don't make that mistake and you do things first time first. All you need to do is watch this video from start till end and see how easy it is to fix this bidet here in Canada on your own. And if you're a new subscriber, please go ahead and press this subscription button as well as bell notification. I bring information related to immigration in Canada the way you want, as well as my first-hand experience as a new immigrant, many money-saving tips which will make you successful here in Canada. Well, when we moved to Canada, we carried this bidet with us, and after coming here, I realized that this T-joint which gets fixed to the hose, the top one and the bottom one, this one was fitting in, which I got from India, but these two were not fitting because of the difference in size. So this became a waste. Now, having realized my mistake, I brought this bidet from an online store, and it does not cost much. It came to me within 2 to 3 days. Let me show you how to fix this, and this is very easy and you actually don't require any tool. So let's go. Okay, so this is the hose and this is the bidet. Let me show you how to fix this. First, you remove this plastic and remove this cap. After this already has a washer inside, so this gets fixed like this. Okay, so this is ready, this part is ready. Okay, you see this knob, I'm switching this off. You need to press this and keep it for some time till the entire water drains. So you see the entire water has been drained, and now it is time for me to fix this hook. This hook simply goes in here. This will hold the bidet, and I fix this up. So you see this, I just need to take it out. Remember to keep a container which can hold the water. The water has completely not drained, so just to avoid entire floor getting wet. So now on this T-wall, I put a washer. Okay, and this T-wall goes in here, and now I fix this here. Okay, so I fix this, and this is done. Now it is time for me to check this. So I switch this on. Yes, this works. This goes here, and this here. So guys, you saw this how entire assembly took less than 10 minutes, and I even did not require any tools. I could just do this with hand. And this bidet is not just hygienic, this is a very environmental friendly way of adapting. And this also eliminates the tension of not having the toilet paper. The tension is gone forever. Now the learning for you is, if you're coming from your country, don't buy this. Come here to Canada, and once you move into your long-term accommodation, check the size of the hose and then go and place the order online. Within 2 to 3 days, it will be delivered to you maximum, and then you can fit this on your own. I hope you found today's video interesting as well as informative, and this small change you will implement in life so that you don't have to worry about this toilet paper ever. If you liked my video, please press the like button, as well as use the comment section to let me know your comments and thoughts. This helps me to make my future videos, and I will keep bringing you such informative video in future, so that you have a reliable information with you. Thanks for watching Canada Tried and Tested.